Alright guys, set up. I got a big fucking fish. Get ready, I'm gonna pop him up. Where's he at? He's up here. I've only got 80 yards of line. I gotta bring him back. Austin, he's on this side. Pay attention. Oh shit. Buddy. Under the boat, and my trolling motor is fucking up. I can't fucking. Where is he?
He's directly down.
He's running. He's on the bottom. Okay. That's alright. He'll get tired. As long as I keep pressure on him. Chasing them. They get tired. I just don't like coming back. I see it. I'm working him. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Oh, come on. Get over by him. It's alright, I'm trying to stay close to him. I just can't have him get a big slack on me.
Like he had earlier?
Yeah.
I was going to warn you, but I didn't know if that's
I'll
what
just
you
let
were
him pull the boat around. I've had to work fish like this before, but nothing this big.
With this little line.
No, not with 10 pound on a fucking 30 pound fish, dude. I mean,
fuck, did you see how he jumped out of the water?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Don't run. Luckily I got a trolling motor and I can run with him.
Alright.
He's a big old king salmon. I think he's here.
Catch him if I can.
I don't want to break the line.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. How long?
Well, once he gets tired and he starts coming up on his own like that, then you can miss him. Do not miss him, because if you miss him, he's getting tired. He's getting tired. Get ready. Get ready. Don't miss him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him in. Get him in. Get him in. Fuck yeah.
There you go. There you go. Woo! Oh my God, Bubba.
Here you go. There's your fish.
10 pound.
Off a fucking rattle trap with 10-pound test, and we fucking worked his ass. Let's get out to the deep and get him in the live well. I can't believe this, dude.
Got it.